All right, check this one out. Oh my goodness, it's a gigantic hood. Huge, modern on top with corbel legs. We did this cool Tudor arch cutout. And then we got a craftsman hood coming out to the bottom. I have to show you the inspiration picture for this one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gigantic. You got a design? Send it to us. This is gonna look good for our customer's lake house van. You better call us over for some pancakes. Feed us some pancakes and beers. Artiste. This is beautiful, huh? Beautiful custom rain shade.